The Grand Strand is home to beautiful beaches, immaculate golf courses, exciting nightlife, and fun activities for all ages. Unfortunately, not every day is a day at the beach, but legal help is always within your reach. You need an experienced attorney working to secure the best possible outcome for you. When legal issues threaten to cloud your day at the beach, contact the law firm of McCutchen, Mumford, Vaught, O'Day, and Geddie today, and let us assist you with your claim.
We are your lawyers at the beach.
Welcome back to Carolina and Company Live. Now it's time for our lawyers from the beach.
You right that right. Your lawyers at the beach. You can always check them out at lawyersatthebeach.com to find out what they're talking about. And they're on the show every Tuesday to talk about something. Now, Greg is with us, and we're going to talk about estate planning. Now, you got to tell me a little bit about that, estate planning.
Surely, surely. You've got a great question there.
Will, do you need a will?
Yes, of course you need a will. As you know, your last will and testament is the document that disposes of the assets that you own at the time you pass away. And if you don't have a will, you're said to have died intestate. And if you die intestate, there is actually a law, actually a statute in South Carolina that then determines who inherits your assets. And what the statute provides and what you would want to have happen may be very different.
All right, now if I had a will and say I had an ex-wife and never changed it, would she still get that?
She does not, but that's the type of change in your personal life that would warrant updating your estate planning documents. Keep in mind your will is just a snapshot in time, and there are going to be changes in your personal life, in your financial situation. You win the lottery, you adopt triplets, all those things would warrant updating your last will and testament.
All right, I got to ask you, general durability power of attorney.
There are many different types of powers of attorney. The general durable power of attorney is the document where you name an attorney-in-fact or financial agent to manage your financial affairs if you are incapacitated and incompetent, unable to do so for yourself. The term durable means this document survives your mental and physical incapacity. So, for example, I'm in a car accident and I find myself in a coma. The tax returns still have to be filed. The bills still have to be paid. This is the document that enables that to happen and avoids the necessity of a conservatorship being created through the Horry County Probate Court.
Okay, my wife is a power of attorney for her mom now.
Yes.
And it takes a lot. It takes a lot.
It is truly an act of love. It really is. An important document, though.
Now, what is a health care power of attorney?
Well, the health care power of attorney addresses several issues. This is the document where you name a healthcare agent to make medical treatment decisions for you if you're unable to do so for yourself. Now, if you're capable, you of course are going to talk to your doctor yourself about your options, the costs, the benefits, the risks. This document also deals with organ donation, and it also deals with end-of-life treatment under certain circumstances. And what I mean by that, it always starts with your physician. But if the final diagnosis is that your condition is terminal and death is imminent, or you're in a permanent state of unconsciousness, you're in a coma and you're not expected to recover, this is the document where you can tell your physicians, where you can tell family whether or not you want to receive life-sustaining treatment. Or you can give your healthcare agent the discretion to make whatever decision he or she thinks is best under the circumstances. And lastly, this is also the document, in those two medical diagnoses only, that addresses whether or not you want to receive artificial nutrition and hydration. That's the tube feeding. And you know, with technology being what it is, these documents are more important than ever.
It's must. It's a must. And you want to know more about it, you go to yourlawyersatthebeach.com and find out, because it is important to have a will, no matter how old you are or how young you are.
Yeah.
You need one.
Definitely.
We'll be right back.
We'll be right back.